one life, that's it.
Yeah.
And it goes by like this. मैं परसों 18 साल की थी यार, क्या हुआ? Where did it go? Women are not difficult to please. Like just
छोटी-छोटी खुशियाँ यार.
छोटी-छोटी खुशियाँ.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Gupshup with Fuchsia. And आज मेरी मेहमान है उष्णा शाह. She is a self-lover and also a pet lover. And I read that somewhere and I've learned that from you only because आपके ही मैंने किसी interview में सुना था कि अपने love yourself first. And the day I actually heard that, I was like, yeah. We actually don't do that.
I like it, self-lover.
Yes.
I like it.
Yeah, because मैंने किसी interview में सुना था, and which was almost about 2 years back maybe, and
I think I know which one you're talking about.
So I'm going to start on that. How do you love yourself so much, and how do you train yourself to do that? Because that's very tough.
Yeah, that's a deep question.
Yeah. Deep se start kar le ya nahi?
Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah, we can.
Okay.
I feel like certain things are ingrained in you from the get-go. I think your upbringing, it really helps. If you're loved and if you're given encouragement as a child, and you're given just a lot of confidence as a child, that helps in developing self-love. But for some of us, that's not the case always. I'm not saying that I wasn't given that, but we all have traumas that exist. I think every human does.
Yeah.
And so sometimes it takes conscious work to do that. And it's just a constant reminder of, like, you just have to constantly remind yourself to do it. Make it an active practice. So when you say self-love, वो ये नहीं है कि आप vain हैं और अपने हुस्न की आप तारीफें कर रहे हैं या अपने आप को बहुत समझते हैं. Self-love is just taking care of yourself and respecting yourself. And not allowing anyone else to disrespect you. And so it's a work in progress.
In progress.
For women especially, I find.
For women, because wahi in that same interview, because aapne bola, and you're right, somehow there's an autocorrect, there's a tuning in our minds, you know, day one se, कि पहले माँ बाप को देखो, बहन भाई को देखो, मियाँ को देखो, बच्चों को देखो,
जितनी आप sacrificial हैं, आप उतनी अच्छी हैं, because a woman equates to sacrifice.
Yes. तो वो सब के साथ है, and then बाद में कहीं आप आराम से बैठे हो, and then we women write, oh, I'm having my me time with the coffee, and then you don't really think about it, you know, generally. You're like, oh God, but after actually your thing only I heard, and I'm like, I started working on it. I'm still work in progress, but thanks to Ushna Shah and that interview,
oh, come on.
you know, it came to me that that is something जो सबसे पहले as a woman होना चाहिए.
Absolutely, because अगर आप आप जब जहाज में होते हैं तो वो safety video आती है ना कि जब वो मास्क गिरे अगर तो पहले अपना पहने फिर किसी और को पहनाए. So until or unless you're doing that, how are you going to help somebody else? And you know, it's something I wish my mother practiced, because mama बहुत एक sacrifice करने वाली खातून है, especially when she was raising 6 kids, single mother. So वो अपना बिल्कुल ख्याल नहीं रखती थी. She let herself go. She didn't. Self-love, वो concept luxury का, I don't remember कभी अपने आप के लिए उन्होंने pedicure भी नहीं करवाया होगा. मैं ज़बरदस्ती उनको बाद में, you know, I started taking her. There was no concept of like massages or just her time alone. And it's heartbreaking because I wish she had done that, because I feel like agar wo aisa karti, so maybe that would have been better for even us, you know, a happier, calmer mom as opposed to a stressed, tired mom.
वो इतना पुराने टाइम पे, आप सबसे छोटी हो अपने घर में, तो वो बहुत पुराने वक्त तब की बात कर रही हो, जब वो काम कर रही थी, and आपकी बहन, and you know everybody was been through the industry and all that. So वो वाला जो वक्त था, वो I think उस टाइम पे शायद उन लोगों को मैनी पैडी और ये इसका भी
मैनी पैडी के अलावा lots of other things,
वो वाली चीजें, go pamper yourself वाली होती नहीं होंगी. And
obviously, you know, mama, again, being a single mother, these are luxuries that she couldn't even afford probably. So this was not easy for her. Life was not easy for my mother at all. She was a very hard-working woman. She was working double shifts, and like I did not take that work ethic from her at all. You know, she gave us a wonderful life. So ek to she didn't have those things. Secondly, I think unke bas zehn mein tha, like I remember she told me something, and I've never shared this.
Okay.
So मैं बहुत late पैदा हुई. Mama had me when she was like 40.
Okay.
So I have a huge age gap with my elder siblings. So मेरे आप सोच लें 5 parents हैं.
Yes.
6 parents हैं, including mama. So basically, you know, and people have told me this also, कि जब वो shoot से when she would pack up and जब drop करना होता था उनको, तो other actors would go to restaurants and have like a nice whatever. And Mama was like, नहीं मेरे बच्चे घर पे हैं, अगर मैं उनके बगैर कहीं नहीं जा सकती. So she never went out.
Oh God.
She never hung out. She never did any of that. So now I'm thinking she should have.
Yeah.
You know, because then now when I do these things, I'm Ayash. So she's like, ये तो सारा दिन restaurants में और ये तो दोस्तों के साथ और ये तो salon में, and I'm like, it's not a bad thing, Mom. You should try it.
So how do you deal with that generation gap? अब जैसे you know you want to be and you're called that, oh ये तो बिगड़ी हुई औलाद है.
मैं तो full बिगड़ी औलाद हूँ. I've been a बिगड़ी औलाद since I was a kid. Yeah.
Okay, so how do you deal with that? And now do you really I'm sure you take out that time अपनी माँ के लिए, and you know, and you take her out कि चले मैं आपको बाहर खाने पे ले जाती हूँ, but अब वो करना भी चाहती हैं वो चीज़ें, या वो कहती हैं बेटा अब मेरा वक्त है, मैं आराम से अपनी शॉल में बैठी हूँ.
So irritating because एक तो मामा इस वक्त कनाडा में है.
Oh, okay.
I live in Karachi, वैसे लाहौर में रहती है, so I don't get to see her. And I am very impatient sometimes when it comes to her because generational gap है बेचारी मेरी बूढ़ी माँ. But मामा सो जाती हैं शाम कुछ 7-8 बजे. So where do I take her? उनके लिए कोई फिल्म लगाऊं तो सो जाती हैं. I can't take her out. I don't know what to do. Like it's really annoying because we can't take her to dinner. Like ज़बरदस्ती उनको drag करना होता है और बस यूं हो रही होती हैं. She wakes up for Fajr and she's up.
Also, when you're with her, does she watch your dramas with you?
She's been watching my dramas now because she's bored in Canada. So वो देख रही है और मुझे critique आती है, voice note आता है after every episode.
अच्छा, that's good. That's good. Do you actually listen to her?
I do.
You
I do. Yeah, I really do.
Because she's got so much talent herself. Like she's been through so much.
Yeah.
तो I'm sure वो सारी चीजें absorb करने के लिए तुम्हें होता होगा कि मैं अपनी बहन से absorb कर लूँ अपने, you know.
बहन मुझे कभी tips नहीं देती.
कभी? Oh, okay. Why is that?
Which is so annoying because Behan is a brilliant actor.
Yeah, she
like,
is.
Issa is like insanely good. She's never. I've asked her for advice. वो humble हो जाती है कि मैं तुम्हें क्या बताऊँ, तुम अच्छा कर रही हो. But she's given me a few tips like एक जैसा और है उष्णा, थोड़ा different करो, एक जैसा और है. And like that's the one tip she gave me about one drama.
Yeah.
कि you didn't make it different.
As such तो हमारे सारे ड्रामों में कुछ भी एक जैसा.
The
ones that I watched.
But she saw
I loved
something.
you in Bashar moment, and I was so proud of it. अभी जब मैं तुम्हारे, you know, I was going through all your drama lists and all. I was like, wow, I've acted, because I don't really watch so much dramas. Rabia is more of dramas.
Oh yeah.
But I was very proud of it. I was like, I watched all her good dramas.
Oh my God, you have?
Bashar
that
moment,
makes me so
and
happy.
then ये Alif Allah and Bala,
oh
and
man,
of course
thank you
अभी
so much.
रोते धोते तुम्हारा
Please watch
ये वाला भी देख
Lashkara.
लिया.
Please
कौन
watch
सा?
Lashkara.
Lashkara.
I'm
okay,
very proud of that drama. It didn't do that well commercially,
Okay.
but it's a bit dark.
All right.
But it's so well written. So
Who's
I'm so.
in it?
I'm in it. Mohsin
Of
Abbas
course,
Haider
you
and
were in
Rana
it.
Ashraf
अच्छा, okay.
and Mohsin, and it's directed by Kashif Nisar,
All
and it's
right.
written by Zafar Miraj.
Okay.
That is the
okay.
name. Zafar Miraj.
All
Sahib,
right.
and he's
okay.
brilliant. So
Okay.
please watch
I'll
it.
actually go and watch
very
it.
proud of that. But thank you. So I try to be as versatile as possible, but you know, I'm like, I mean, it'd be nice to get different kinds of roles also, where you can be as versatile as possible.
Yeah. Okay. Versatility से मुझे मतलब कि you've done so many awesome roles.
Oh man, you're too kind.
Okay.
I'm blushing.
So मुझे ये बताओ कि अभी when you did बंदे एक डोर से, because उसमें बहुत submissive and you know you're like the giving in वाली, and अभी तक sacrificing वाली जो हम बोल रहे हैं कि औरत वो, so क्या कहते, so पहले इतने वो किया and then you did this. Was this consciously you chose this कि okay now I want to do something different and I want to do this one?
Well, it's not different at all in that sense, because the lead is usually a sacrificing girl. But I'd done.
No, I meant like Bala.
Yeah. So what had happened is, out of like, I think I've done 25, 30 dramas. I don't know. 20 dramas. I don't know. Telefilms count करें तो I have a body of work that exceeds 45 projects. My management was telling me the other day. So I've done a lot of work, and it's always been the lead girl, even if it's the negative character.
Yeah.
But 95% of that work is positive. It's always been the good girl. But when I did Alif Allah, which was kind of negative, but it was that was a very diverse character. I love that character.
Yeah.
Then I did Bala, and then I did Bewafa back to back, even though Beech Mein Cheekh may be a guest appearance. For some reason, people just were like, "Aap negative karenge, aap negative." No, which was great, but it's like पहले you know it was like आप रोती धोती रहती हैं, आप बेचारी हैं, आप कितनी मासूम हैं, ये किया है तो आप बस नेगेटिव ही करती हैं ना, and I'm like hello, Have you forgotten the 40 other
Yeah,
things I've done?
yeah.
You know, so then I made a conscious decision. Okay, maybe I won't do negative back to back. Maybe I'll do something so I don't get typecast.
Yeah.
Because
ये हो
it's
जाता है.
and because
Yes.
Bala and it was such a hit, mashallah, that it scared people.
It scared people.
It scared people, dude.
How do you prepare for yourself for such roles as Bala and
What do you mean, like-
Alif Allah? When you have to come, do you get into the character, and how do you prepare yourself to actually go and act out there?
I do research.
Okay.
There's a process. There's obviously like a technique to it. You know, you study a character beforehand. You ask, who is this person? Why is this person? What is their motive in life? And you try to then be as creative as you can with them. Unfortunately, there aren't that many diverse roles out there
Yeah.
to be able to do that and make it very different. So you try to be as creative as you can with every character. With Alif Allah, I did a lot of research. Like, you know, I'm from Lahore. I understand Punjabi. I speak Punjabi.
Yeah.
But I had to learn the mannerisms and the dialect of like a beggar girl. So I studied beggars. I studied somebody who was working at my house also to get certain dialects and mannerisms for when she goes to the kotha and works as a maid.
Yeah.
And then of course the courtesans, and you know, so I did some research.
Yeah.
Yay, YouTube.
Yeah.
And then Bala, like I based on people that are like, you know, narcissists and sociopaths, and so I did research, and then I'm really grateful that I get to work with really good directors.
Yeah.
Like Alif Allah was all Ehsan Talish, and
even-
Lashkara was Kashif Nisar, and you know, Bala was Badr Mahmood. So
Yeah.
I have a lot
You
of
have the
help.
great directors
And these are the
writers.
dramas people remember.
Yes.
So it
Definitely. And no, because ये बहुत deep thoughts हैं, deep connects हैं, जिसके साथ you even going through research and going through YouTube, it plays a toll on actors, I'm
Yeah.
sure. And I'm sure it did with you also. You know, just reading about them, कि okay, beggars की life ऐसी होती है, and then the थुतकारना and
so
and being a psycho.
Dude,
you know, वो सब
that
कुछ.
happened. That was so traumatic because Alif Allah pe, when we were shooting some of the beggar scenes,
Yeah.
the opening scenes,
Yeah.
our crew was hidden. So we had
Yeah,
a complete
I-
skeleton. You saw that,
yeah,
right?
yeah, you-
And so the skeleton crew was hidden, and
Yeah.
it was a very busy street. So people, and I was in costume. People didn't know it was me. So they wanted a montage shot of me going up to people and asking for food and asking for all that,
Yeah.
and people actually brushed me off. And it's and we do that, you know, because there's so much of it around us.
Yeah.
I've done that. Ki please yaar maaf kar do.
हाँ,
and
माफ
you
कर
go.
दो अभी करो.
So, but there were some people that were just like, I didn't exist. My value was nothing. And to think that there are so many people in this world that live like that in our country, that is their being, that is their existence.
Yes.
5 minutes of it, 10, 20 minutes of it traumatized me. That is their life. That's all they know.
Yeah.
That's heartbreaking, yeah.
That is. Because as actors' life is quite tough actually, you know, because you guys go through a lot of things. हमें तो बस स्क्रीन पे अच्छा लग रहा आता है कि ओके ये ऐसे एक्ट कर रही है ना, थोड़ा सा हम सोचते हैं हाँ इसने थोड़े डायलॉग में, but to actually go through that character is actually your life.
But it's a blessing, yeah. It's a great job.
Yeah, that's a great job you did. So it left a mark.
Thanks. No, I'm just grateful for the work. So I'm grateful
All
for the
right.
job.
So how do you take trolls? How do you shut yourself off social media, or you are quite active on social media? So
Off
tell
and
us
on.
something about that.
Yeah, I am active on social media because I get to get my voice across. Like I feel like I can make a bit of a difference in my whole animal welfare thing that I do. So I don't want to leave social media because when you do, आपका narrative किसी और के हाथ में आ जाता है. So it's a great way to express yourself and connect with your fans. I do take breaks from it. Sometimes I'll go off for a while, a month even. It's important.
Oh, you do
because
that?
yeah,
That's
it's
good.
dude, it takes a toll for sure. I have developed really thick skin.
Okay.
You know, because ever since I've come here, I guess I'm just like an easy target, and I set myself up also. So it's fine for me, but it's a great insight on the world we live in. So you look at the amount of hate, and you look at the amount of and there's so much positivity also.
Yeah.
So much positivity.
There
like I
is.
love my fans; they're so good to me. But then there's of course a lot of judgment and hate also that we all deal with, and it really worries me about the state of our society. It goes to show कि जो शायद कौन से generational traumas हैं लोगों पे, जो economic factors हैं मुल्क के, जो extremism मुल्क में आ गया, जो divide मुल्क में आ गया, उसका कितना effect, जो segregation है especially rural areas में, उसका कितना effect है और वो effect आपको नजर आता है social media पे लोगों की mentality वो trickle down हो रहा है ना. So it just worries me more than anything else. But I mean, I don't take it personally. Every Tom, Dick and Harry has a smartphone and they have access to you.
Yes.
And they use this and a lot of people use this as a way to vent out their own hate.
Yeah.
So you can do nothing but feel really sorry for them कि आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में कितने नाखुश हैं कि आप जज बन गए हर एक के और आप it's just sad, yeah.
Oh God. Okay. So animal love. You love animals.
You got dogs?
Yes, I've got 3 dogs. I'm dealing with 3 big ones. And what about you? How many do you have? And
So technically I have 3 dogs.
okay.
One is my mom's, she lives in Lahore. So
Okay.
basically I have 2 dogs.
Okay.
And one is a pit bull named Narco.
Okay.
She's the best.
Okay.
And one is a toy poodle named Audrey.
Audrey.
Or
Okay.
I got her, when I got her, there was another one with her when they were
Okay,
puppies.
okay.
And the other one was a platinum blonde and she was a brunette. So
Okay.
I named the platinum blonde Marilyn.
Okay.
And then I named her Audrey. And then Marilyn died young.
Ooh.
um,
Okay.
much like the real Marilyn
All
Monroe.
right.
So it was kind of like poetic in that
All
sense.
right,
She had
okay.
parvo. So yeah, I've got Narco and Audrey. And Audrey the toy poodle is the guard dog.
All right.
She's the brave one and she's the vicious one.
Okay. So over here in Karachi, because आप Lahore से आप move किए Karachi, and Karachi में you're alone over here. तो dogs, when you go for your shoots, Lahore जाती हो या कहीं travel करती हो तो फिर dogs कहाँ होते हैं?
Yeah, I have staff to take care
Alright,
of them and I have
okay.
cameras in the house. I keep
Okay,
an eye on them.
okay.
And उनकी मैंने obviously वो मुझे बहुत miss करते हैं.
हाँ.
Then I ask my friends to come and check up on them,
Yeah,
which my friends
okay.
do, which is very kind of them.
Okay.
I don't know what I'd do without them.
Okay.
And then they're very attached to the lady who takes care of them, and they go on walks, and
Chalo
they have
good.
nice lives. Mashallah, they're happy dogs.
So because ये होता है कि जिनके dogs होते हैं and who love animals, it's like their babies.
It's like,
a
yeah.
part of their home.
It is.
And I exactly know the feeling of somebody saying कुछ आपको गलत बोल दे उसके बारे में, you're like it's hurtful because it seems like as if
You're
उन्होंने
attacking
आपके
a family member.
Yeah, you're
And
like
it
ऐसे
really
नहीं बोलो.
annoys me. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very hurtful. It's very disrespectful. लोगों को
Yes.
समझ नहीं आती है.
So I want to know some incident or something. Day one से like बचपन से आप you love pets, you're very caring and all that. But something जो recently कुछ ऐसी चीज़ हुई हो जो आपको बहुत touch की और I'm like यार I need to fix this and I need to do something for animals. Was there something like this that recently
It's been a lot of things.
Okay.
It's been, since I was a kid, I wanted to open an animal shelter here
Okay.
in Pakistan, and now thank God ACF
Yes.
exists and a lot of places
Yeah.
exist. I come across so many things that trigger me,
Okay.
and I lead a very busy life, so my life isn't fully animal activism. काफ़ी लोगों की है,
Okay.
and I praise them for it. All I can do right now is raise my voice for them. I have a platform, so I do. But काफ़ी trigger points हैं यार, और वो मुझे थोड़ा propel करते हैं, फिर मैं active हो जाती हूँ, then I
Okay.
calm down, and then
Okay.
अभी there was a dog we rescued in Lahore,
Okay.
जिसको वो 8 साल की थी, और एक दीवार थी इतनी चौड़ी, और उसके ऊपर एक फेंस थी, उसको उस दीवार पे बांधा हुआ था for her entire life.
Oh God.
And उसको walks पे भी नहीं ले जाते थे. She would poop at the
Oh
by the
God,
wall
at
and and she couldn't, और उसकी leash इतनी tight थी कि वो दीवार से उतर नहीं सकती थी.
Okay.
तो उसका पानी बोल खाली और मुझसे she was very dehydrated. खैर उसको रेस्क्यू करने की मैंने कोशिश की. वो पता नहीं किस मेंटालिटी के लोग थे, उन्होंने कहा नहीं हमारा डॉगी है, हम नहीं दे रहे. फिर उसको कन्विंस करके उन लोगों को कि हम आपको ब्रीड का कुत्ता दे देंगे, निकाला उसको, फिर ACF लेके आए इधर.
अच्छा.
सो 8 साल के बाद उसने फ्रीडम देखा, थोड़ा प्यार देखा. सो सारी जिंदगी डे एंड नाइट शी वाज टाइड अप.
Oh God.
So for 2-3 weeks she saw happiness, and it took an entire team to get her here. काफी लोग उनको कन्विंस करने गए, उसको चोरी करने की भी कोशिश की,
Oh Lord. हाँ.
उसको फिर बुलवाया यहाँ ACF, and because वो सारी जिंदगी डिहाइड्रेटेड रही थी, she had a UTI and she passed away.
Oh Lord.
So she got to see 3 weeks of happiness, 3 weeks of love and a sweater and walks and it's unbelievable कि कितने लोग अपने पेट्स को ऐसे रखते हैं.
Yeah,
कितने
yeah.
लोग टॉर्चर करते हैं एनिमल्स को. अभी किसी एनिमल कुत्ते को पैलेट गन से शूट कर दिया, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने उसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड आई, उसको भी शूट कर दिया.
Oh God.
कलिंग होती है यहाँ क्लिफ्टन में, कुत्ते
Yeah,
मरे पड़े हुए होते हैं. सो
yes.
बहुत 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 चीज़ें हैं जो मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली देख रही होती हूँ. मुझे तो
Okay.
भेजते रहते हैं लोग दैट ट्रिगर मी. बट आई वुड लव टू यूज़ दिस प्लेटफॉर्म एंड एक्सप्लेन के देखिए आप, मैं इतना तो नहीं कह सकती, लेकिन आप किसी भी चीज़, किसी भी जिंदा चीज़ जो बेजुबान है उसको कैद करके रखेंगे तो आप पेट लवर नहीं हैं.
Yeah.
आप अब्यूज़र हैं. अगर आप बर्ड लवर हैं तो या तो आप ऐसी एनवायरनमेंट बनाएं उसकी जिसमें वो घूम सके, उड़ सके, आ जाए. अगर आपने उसको केज किया हुआ है तो आपने उसको कैद किया हुआ है. अगर आपके पास कुत्ता और वो सारे दिन चेन पे रहता है तो आपने उसको इम्प्रिजन किया है, वो भी निकलना चाहता है। आप जूज में जाते हैं तो वो कैदी हैं। सो किसी भी चीज़ को इम्प्रिजन मत करें। मछली को अल्लाह ने समंदर दिया हुआ है, दरिया दिए हैं, आप उसको एक बोल में रखते हैं तो आप उसकी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद कर रहे हैं। यू नो, एक जानवर को खा लेना इज़ वन थिंग for sustenance or whatever, we are carnivores, लेकिन उसको कैद करना और उसको अब्यूज़ करना, टॉर्चर करना कुछ और है। और अगर आपका कुत्ता चेन पे है और आपकी बर्ड्स केज में है तो आप कहीं से भी एक पेट लवर नहीं है, and you need to understand that.
Great message.
Sorry for the ramble.
That's okay. No, this is a message which has to go out, and people need to understand. लोगों को ये समझ नहीं आती है, and you're right actually. ये thought ऐसे भी नहीं कभी मुझे आई थी कि अगर आपने रखे हुए हो, I've got a pet and but वो केज में है, so
and it's miserable. It's not happy. इस तरह के कुत्ते भाग जाते हैं, वो नहीं वहाँ रहना चाहते हैं.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so on a lighter note,
yeah, that got dark.
I know. Okay, do you like to binge watch?
Yes, I do.
You do?
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So क्या आज recently क्या binge watch किया?
I have restarted Schitt's Creek.
Okay.
It's so funny.
I've heard of it.
Canada, man.
Just,
for the win.
I think just yesterday I read it somewhere.
No, you have to watch it.
I have to because this is the second time.
It's
the
so
second
good.
person who's telling
It's so
me.
good.
Okay, is it something new or what?
No, it ended like it ended last year.
Okay.
And it started in 2016.
Netflix or?
Netflix, yeah.
All
it's on
right.
Netflix.
Okay.
So
okay.
I saw that, and then I saw Downton Abbey, which I really liked.
And did you watch the latest Downton Abbey type version?
नहीं, मैंने
The
सुना कुछ
Bridgerton?
आया है इस तरह का. Is it good?
The Bridgerton.
Downton Abbey तो पाकिस्तानी ड्रामा है.
Yes.
Like
ये
सोचो.
hello ये भी पाकिस्तानी
Story lines, but सोचे
अभी
that
मैंने इसका
was
last नहीं
relevant
देखा.
in 1920s,
Oh,
right?
okay.
We're in 2020, and it's relevant for us now. So हम 100 साल पीछे हैं उनसे, as far as like living and relationships.
बिल्कुल. अभी
and-
this Bridgerton is also something around the same
You
lines.
like it?
I've not watched the full season, full series abhi. I still have to watch the last 2 episodes. But it's
Yeah.
very much, people say it's just like Downton Abbey, yes.
Yeah, I've heard. I'll watch it. I like these.
Yeah.
I
So
like
it's like
these
nice
dramas.
binge watch.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm all about it. But
obviously.
you have to watch Schitt's Creek.
Okay,
Please
I'll
watch
do
it.
that.
It's
I'll
so
do
good. It's so good. No, wait. Watch one of my dramas.
Oh, हाँ, because उसका नाम लिया था. एक तो मैंने तुम्हारा पुराना वाला भी. I wanted to watch that one, the one with Samina Pirzada. Your
Bala.
Shuru
Oh, Neelam
mein-
Kinare.
Neelam Kinare.
What a shoot that was, man.
Because I
25
was
days, no
just
data,
seeing
no
your
internet.
reviews of some dramas and उसके अंदर सबसे पहले यही आया था and I saw it the way
है.
you were dressed up and all. I was like, is this Ushna? ये वही उष्णा है जिसको मुझे कल इंटरव्यू करना है.
Yeah, that was
But I want-
2015.
Yeah,
2015,
so I really want to watch it. It's really intrigued
Yeah,
me.
that
The
was
story.
25 days in Neelam Valley, no internet, no cable, books,
Oh.
and I binge watched
Books?
something on my laptop. Yeah, and no calls. You get a special army SIM, और एक वक्त में उस एरिया में सिर्फ 80 calls मिल सकती हैं, so you're lucky अगर आपकी call मिल जाए.
Oh God.
So that was a great detox.
Wow,
That was amazing.
Great detox.
And
कभी
beautiful
ऐसे और कोई
scenery.
इस तरह का detox कभी किया है other than this shoot?
Self-imposed detox.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. किया है करती हो.
Yeah.
Because
very
social media
important.
से तो you're saying you get off, but
Yeah.
otherwise also just going on a rehab, like just going to a
Yeah, I-
yoga retreat or something.
I haven't done that yet. I
Okay.
did once.
People do
I
that
went
a
to
lot.
Bali. This was a while back.
Okay.
But what I do is I go on a regimen, which helps
Okay.
me detox. So there's this thing called the 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma.
Okay. Okay.
It's a book. I'll send
Okay.
it to you actually.
All right.
Please remind
Okay.
me.
Okay.
And it's phenomenal. And in it, you wake up at 5 and you spend the first hour, like 20 minutes, you sweat. It releases endorphins, so you do some sort of workout.
5
Then you
a.m.
meditate, you reflect, and then 20 minutes you spend learning something. So I'm brushing up French that I should
All
know.
right. Okay.
Canada and
Oh,
also.
okay.
So you do that, and then you don't touch your phone until 8 a.m. And then at night, it's a phone-free zone. So after a certain while, you don't touch your phone. So it's a great detox. And then I limit myself to 10 minutes of Instagram a day. So I don't always do it, but I've done it for like 2 weeks at a time, and it's
Wow.
amazing because आपने कुछ post करना है, कोई brand post है, कुछ है, you
Yeah.
do that, you don't look at what's there because it's too much information.
Yes.
We're retaining too much information and we're addicted. I mean,
Yes.
you've seen that documentary,
Yes.
na? The
Yes.
Social Dilemma.
No, I don't think I've seen
Please
that, but
watch it,
otherwise I know.
Netflix.
Thank you for sharing all these things. अब मैं वापस touch base करूँगी थोड़ी सी self love के ऊपर.
हाँ जी.
जो आजकल women are supposed, एक चीज़ है जो अपने लिए ज़्यादा नहीं करती, हम वापस ख़वातीन पे चले जाते हैं कि हम अपने लिए इतना नहीं करते, एंड जिसके अंदर सेल्फ चेक है, एंड विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दीज डेज. Do you go and do your regular checkups?
I haven't in a long time, and I
Okay.
really need to, and so I will.
Okay.
And it's so important, especially for women. You need to get your pap smear, your
Yeah.
mammograms,
Yeah.
and यार, my khala, my mom's cousin passed away अभी at on Christmas Day.
Oh Lord.
And उनको ओवेरियन कैंसर था जो बहुत स्प्रेड हो गया, और वो जब डिस्कवर हुआ तो वो स्टेज 3 पे था. एंड मेरे जो कज़न है, मेरे सेकंड कज़न, आई वाज सिटिंग विद हिम एंड ही इज़ अ मैन एंड ही जस्ट केप्ट लुकिंग एट मी एंड सेइंग गेट योरसेल्फ टेस्टेड, अपना एनुअल टेस्ट करवाया करो. हैड शी डन इट दे वुड हैव फाउंड इट सूनर. सो ये चीज़ इतनी ज़रूरी है यार, किसी को कुछ भी कभी भी हो सकता है. वी आर नॉट एग्जाम्ड, हम इनविंसिबल नहीं है. कुछ भी हो सकता है, उसको पकड़ ले, अपना अपना ख्याल रखें. 100%. I'll get a test done this week.
Yes,
definitely.
Okay.
Thank you for reminding me.
Yes, even actually मैं भी अभी recently अपने I need to take my appointments, इसीलिए मुझे ये सवाल भी आया कि मैं आपसे पूछूं, because वो लोग कहते हैं ना, ये तो बड़ी young है अभी, ये तो you know she's just in her early 30s, 40s, नहीं अभी नहीं कराना, थोड़े और बड़े हो जाएंगे तो करा लेंगे. So it's not that you have to get it done. You have to get it done.
It's so important. Yeah.
It is so important. Definitely.
And men also.
Yeah.
Men need to get their tests
Yes.
done.
Yes.
Prostate cancer is very common. It's becoming, and cancers are becoming very common now.
Yeah.
I think I don't know what it is. Kyun cells mutate hote hain? Maybe it's the environment, maybe it's radiation, maybe it's our food. So much, everything's processed. But it's abundant right now. So
Food-wise, what do you like eating? What's your favorite cuisine?
Food junkie.
Oh
I
Lord!
love it. I cannot
Doesn't look like it.
No. What did I do? I ordered McDonald's this morning and I made fries at home because I wanted them hot. Yeah, no, I eat.
Okay.
I like healthy food, so जब मैं health bender पे जाती हूँ, then I try to be as healthy as possible. But it's really difficult for me because I love food.
Okay.
And I have PCOS, so I get like crazy cravings also, like sugar cravings.
Okay.
Insulin resistance में होता है ऐसे. So I freaking love food. Like I can talk about food all day. I can have a long conversation with you just about like different kinds of foods, and I'll start drooling, and I'll just, it's like
So you cook yourself also?
I don't cook.
You don't
I can't cook. I'm horrible. These fries, I don't know how they happened. I cannot cook. I've tried. I'm terrible.
Oh
terrible.
God.
I can like fry fish, so I can make some good salmon and add capers, but I can eat.
You can eat.
Eating is an art.
हाँ.
I can eat. I can order.
पकवाओ नहीं.
Yeah. I'm no good in the kitchen.
Okay. So रोज का रोज जब तुम्हें कुछ खाना होता है and all that, you just tell your.
I order a lot.
You order a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I order a lot. So yeah, it's insane. But and the girl who is in my home, I can't get rid of her. My dogs love her. I love her. She can't cook. She makes her own food really well. Like मिर्चों वाला ये वो मेरा वो बहुत बुरा बनाती है.
अल्लाह नहीं.
But वो सीख रही है. She's getting better.
सीख रही है. But ज़्यादा तुम्हें like देसी and वो नहीं है. You don't want to have the dal chawal.
I love dal. She makes amazing dal chawal.
Yeah.
She has perfected dal chawal. There's nothing better than hot घर के बने हुए dal chawal with raita, मिर्चों वाला, हरी मिर्चें on the side कच्ची because I like that, अचार and like fresh cut प्याज and stuff, and just like a proper. चटनी काफी देर से नहीं खाई मैंने. I want some chutney today. That just reminded me. I haven't had like pudina ki chutney in a very long time.
Oh Lord.
I miss my mom. I'm hungry.
Oh, so where's your mom's in Canada?
Mom's in Canada right now.
Oh God, and आजकल तो because of COVID, travel is.
We are not letting her out of the room. She is quarantined. She's 70 plus. She's a heart patient. She's not going anywhere.
She's not going anywhere.
Yeah, but the vaccine's out soon. So.
Yes, let's hope so. COVID time में how was it? Like you being at home
alone.
Were you in Karachi home?
I was in Karachi. I was by myself.
All right.
I went home for Badi Eid, but that was about it. And Choti Eid. I went home for both Eids.
अच्छा okay.
That was it.
चलो.
But COVID में it started amazing. I will work out at home and there will be a routine. Then I gained so much weight.
Okay.
And after I gained the weight, we shot Bande Ek Door Se का OST. कि वो OST कुछ महीने बाद शूट हुआ था, तो अगर आप देखें I'm quite और वो जो टाइटल शॉट भी है वो भी तभी हुई. Then I'm like आप लोगों ने अभी करना था. I just ate. And I ate and I ate. And then there was this phase where I cycled. Ramzan mein I was cycling and I lost all the weight and I got healthy.
अब थोड़ा सा लाइटर नोट पे हम चलते हैं.
let's go.
बहुत सेल्फ आज का हमारा होना चाहिए सेल्फ केयर के ऊपर, बिकॉज हमने इतनी सारी मजे की अपने ऊपर बातें की हैं as women, as you know.
Yeah.
And that's very good. Very rare we do that.
One life to live.
Yeah.
We get one life. That's it.
Yeah.
And it goes by like this. मैं परसों 18 साल की थी यार, क्या हुआ? Where did it go? You know, so it's like really enjoying the little things. Like enjoy a sunset if it's there. Just look at it. Just enjoy it. Savor it. That moment. It'll bring you peace. It'll bring you happiness. That's self-care for me. Even, you know, enjoy a nice cup of tea. Enjoy time with your pets. Have a nice conversation. Be grateful.
Yeah.
Be grateful. It's such a short life and the world is so miserable. Find beauty in it.
Okay. So अब मुझे this is small like a game, not really a
Yeah.
game. I'm just going to explain it to you first. It's called If You Wake Up As.
Okay.
So it's going to be if you wake up as Ehsan Khan. So first thing as Ehsan Khan, क्या करोगी?
यार मैं जाके अपनी दोस्त उष्णा शाह को कुछ मजे की चीज खिलाऊंगा क्योंकि मैं ये करता हूँ. He used to bring me awesome food on set. Ehsan's an awesome person.
Oh, okay.
यार वो जो ऐसे बोलता है ना.
So if you woke up as a Faisal Qureshi,
Give acting tips to Ushna Shah. God, he's good. God, he's good. But then God spent some time on him to make him. Guy's a
like a
genius.
natural.
Yeah, he's amazing.
Malala Yousafzai.
I think if I woke up as Malala, what would I do? I would just love to wake up as Malala. Queen. I mean, she's amazing. She's incredible.
So
She's so funny. She's so witty. So she's not some book nerd who's making a difference. And if you see her interviews, she's sassy and she's hilarious and she's got great personality.
So that's what's one thing that she's not done and you would want to do as Malala?
I can't think of anything. I think she's doing. I need to do things that Malala is doing. I have no one to tell Malala what to do. That girl is awesome.
Okay.
I'm all about her.
Bilal Abbas.
Bilal. Yeah, these questions are really putting me on the spot. What would I do if sign a damn drama quickly? Yeah. Sign Badr Mahmood's next drama. That's what I would do. And I'm sure he will.
He will.
He always does.
He always does.
They're a great team.
Abda Parveen.
मैं तो गाऊं because I
रियाज
can't
करती हैं।
रियाज करूं. I'm sure she does it though.
Yeah.
What does Abza ji do? Maybe record an album. Maybe record like a pop album.
Pop album.
Nusrat ji did.
Yes.
Khan Saab
Yeah.
did, and it worked great for him.
Yeah.
So maybe I don't know.
Meghan Markle.
She's so pretty and so smart and has great values. And I would I kind of wish. So I love history. And I love like British history especially, and she was in the Buckingham Palace in places that we could never go, and there's so much old art and knickknacks and places like these kings and queens have been there since like forever, and then the castles and all. So she has access to some amazing, very private stuff that we can never know. So I would just relish in that and just like walk down the halls and look at the art and look at old armors and look at all of that,
All right.
and check out the old libraries and letters from old kings.
That's good. Okay, so history का जो शौक है उसके
Yeah, I love
साथ
history.
you also do you like traveling?
I love traveling. So that's
So history के साथ like history के point of view से travel किया, you always with work?
no. So I've traveled for vacation also, like
Okay.
beach vacations. I love that.
Okay.
But I love going to like London. I know is so cliche. Every time I go to London, I take walks by myself and just discover like, or anywhere in England,
Okay.
because it's so. I would like to discover more European countries. There's so much history there. But I do travel for history, and I do this thing. Like I did this in Turkey, and I did this. I often do it whenever I'm in the UK or wherever. Or even in the States, like Salem, pe main gayi, where they had the witch trials and
Okay.
so you go to these old spaces. This is really, it's really embarrassing actually.
No, it's okay.
Okay, so I go to these old spaces and I envision what it must have been like back in the day when that place was prominent. So like 1600s mein Salem, those streets, or like Turkey, if you go to Galata and you feel the Roman sort of thing. And Abhi, I was in Makkah and I was at Uhud. And I haven't told people that I was there, but I spent the last New Year there. And this is the first time I'm sharing this actually. I didn't post about it or anything. And I was at Uhud, that's the mountain, right?
Yeah.
Where Hazrat Hamza is buried. And fortunately, वो भी develop नहीं हुआ इतना. उसके इर्द गिर्द construction नहीं है इतनी. उसके ऊपर वो उन्होंने as is छोड़ा हुआ है. The mountain and the graveyard and all. And वहाँ पे कुछ vendors थे जो street hawkers नहीं होते, dates बेच रहे हैं and ये. And you know, I was wearing the abaya and everybody was in that garb. So you really feel like you're maybe in like 14th century Makkah because you hear those chants and there's bells and it smells like the oud they're burning or whatever. And you know, you see this nature, and for a moment, I just pictured that. And I kind of pictured the war, and I pictured, so I do that. I like, if I go to the Tower of London, I'll picture like the beheadings and how it must have been. It just, I like to go back in time in my head, which is really weird, which is why I love going alone. And so I know it's really creepy, right?
No, it's
so
not
nerdy.
creepy.
It's so nerdy.
No, because it's not even, because it's like being in the moment of that moment,
Yeah.
and actually I'm getting goosebumps just thinking.
It's amazing.
You know,
Try
you're
it
standing
sometime.
at the, उस पे ghar के बाहर and you're thinking about yourself around that
In
time.
that time and what they must have been like,
because
and
वो
just
nerves के लिए
amazing.
कितना वो होता
I
होगा
I
यार.
had goosebumps. I wanted to. I was like
Yeah.
crying at one point because you just
sure.
and there's so much energy there, especially in Makkah, like in that space. And if you go to Kaaba and you look up, ababiels अभी तक हैं उन्होंने नस्ब बनाए हुए हैं. एक ज़माने में बहुत ज़्यादा होती थी. My sister told me.
Oh God.
So when you look up, because ird-gird to it's all
Never been there.
construction. Oh, you gotta go, man! It's crazy. So ird-gird to this construction, but when you look up, the sky is the same. So you see those birds and you see the sunset, and you're there. And
Yeah.
anywhere in the world, anywhere in the world.
Great.
You know,
Wow.
it's really fun.
So many, it's like so much insight is like coming from you, yeah. That's great.
Try it. We can do it here even. I do it when I go to Badshahi Mosque
Ah.
or when I go to Lahore Fort. I do it all the time. I do it every winter. I want to go to Lahore.
So
and
you
do it.
just switch off from
switch off from the world
this
and I go back in
2021
time.
switch off and then it's on whatever the
Lahore
century
Fort
is.
mein to I'm in Mughal era. And I'm
Wow.
picturing all those kings and queens and I'm looking at what it must have been like.
So ये सब picturize करने के लिए and everything. I'm sure you do you write you want to write a story or something on history and make a film out of it or a drama. I don't know.
I do.
Is that something on your cards?
Yeah, that's definitely in the cards.
Okay.
In fact, one of the films that I really want to redo, it's already been done. I won't get into details, but it's like a folk tale of art and it's historical and it's a folk tale, but it's set in an older time. So I'm really fascinated by it for sure.
All right.
Like I would love to do a series on the Mughals.
Okay.
Like the conquest of Babar.
Arturul देखा था?
Dude, Babar पे मैंने नहीं देखा.
नहीं
But
देखा?
Babar पे किसी ने क्यों नहीं बनाया अभी तक? The conquest of
Yeah.
the subcontinent.
बस it's there for you.
Well, I think it's there for Asad. I think visuals he can do.
Yes, visuals he can do. You guys can collect a team.
Can you
and
imagine
let's-
the visuals he would do on an old Mughal story? Like, can you just imagine what he'd do with that?
Yeah, but let's
Do it.
imagine.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Start. Cast
All
me in it.
right. Okay. What's that one thing that you would see in a relationship?
Okay. I think a person's smile, as far as looks are concerned,
Okay.
I really go for a smile.
Okay.
Smile is very important to me.
All right.
I don't know. I just feel like it tells you a lot about the person. And I'm a sucker for a good smile. But in a personality, looks ka to I've said smile. I like the way a person obviously dresses and smells. I'm a big sucker for smells. So these are the shallow things.
Okay.
But that's the first thing you see, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I like people who talk well. I like witty people. I love to have banter.
Okay.
So someone who's witty and is funny. Like funny is really important to me.
Okay.
Funny. Someone who
Okay.
can make me laugh. Preferably someone who can cook because I can't. So I like to be pampered and just someone who's like honest.
Honest.
Honesty is such an important thing for me, you know,
Okay.
and it's so rare. And I've dealt with a lot of dishonesty in my
Okay.
life. Yeah, so I like people with integrity and honesty and
Honesty.
guts to be truthful and be loyal,
Alright.
obviously.
Okay,
Kindness.
so probably honesty is something
and,
that.
and he has to be an animal lover. If he does not like animals and doesn't treat them well, I don't even want to know him. There's something wrong with him.
So I guess all these things you won't compromise on.
No,
and
no
your
compromise on
relationship पे ये compromises नहीं
No.
होंगे like.
I have done that, and that was a big mistake. So there should be no compromise on that. Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
All right.
What about you?
What? Oh my God! I've put in. Yeah, I would want honesty.
Yeah,
Yeah. I
that's
would-
important, right?
Yeah, I just honesty.
And women are not difficult to please. Like
Yeah,
just
छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ यार.
छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ, yeah.
छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ. But yes, thank you so much, Ushna.
Thank you for having me. This was fun.
This was fun.
I
It was-
I feel like I rambled a lot. I'm
No, you
understaffed.
did. You did. And this was like more of just a
really
conversation.
fun.
And I learned so much today. मैंने पहले भी बहुत कुछ सीखा था, but और भी कुछ बहुत सारी चीजें जो मैंने grab की हैं,
You are
grasp
so
की हैं from you.
kind.
And thank you so much
Thank
for
you for
this
having
time
me. And
today.
I'm sorry I was late.
No, you
Thank
weren't.
you for
You weren't
having me.
late. I need to tell you stories about people coming late. So you weren't late at all.
I came and I left. You know the story.
Yes.
But thank you for having me. This space is awesome, and you look like a rock star. I love
Thank
what you're
you.
wearing.
Thank you. You look fab yourself, my queen.
Yeah, so fab. Jeans, t-shirts, sneakers, so
oh
fabulous.
यार आजकल winter में
Yeah,
यही सब कुछ
I'm too
ठीक है.
lazy now.
Lazy is good. Lazy is good.
Comfort all the way.
बिल्कुल.
Thanks,
Okay, there's
Anand.
one more thing that I'm
हाँ जी.
going to do जो मुझे याद आई है. If you can spell fuchsia for us.
F-U-S-C-I-A.
No.
Fridge. F-U-C. Don't do this to me. F-U-C-H-S-I-A. How did I not know the spelling? And I'm usually really good with spelling. Ask me something else, please. It's so embarrassing.
She's saying ask me
F-U-C-H-S-I-A.
something else,
No,
please.
seriously, this is
पूछेंगे.
embarrassing. I don't want people to know I can't spell. I can spell really well. What the hell?
But
Ask me
still you
something tough. Ask me something tough.
Spell fuchsia.
F-U-C-H-S-I-A.
You're still looking there.
Here, ask me something else. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
your
for
time.
having me.
Thank you, and
Thank
all
you.
the best with your film projects. And
Thank you. I hope I do it. I'm lazy.
Yes, you
Asid's shooting it.
Huh?
I will write it. No, not the one I'm doing, but the one I will one day write.
Yes,
I-
you can meet him upstairs and go tell him
Is he
yourself.
here?
Yeah, he's
Oh, I'll
here.
go say hello.
Yeah.
Right, awesome. Thanks for having me
Thank
again.
you.